How to log in to your Bank of America credit card account. Welcome back everyone to this new guide video of 1-2 step. If you have the credit card account of Bank of America and if you're trying to manage your card, then in this video let me show you the quick process of logging in. Bank of America does not have a separate section of the credit card login. You can manage your credit card within the online banking of Bank of America. So search for bankofamerica.com and it's going to take you to its website. To access your card and manage your card, you need to type in the details of your online banking. If you don't yet have online banking, you'll need to enroll on it by clicking on enroll on the bottom. But if you do have the online banking, type in the user ID of your account and also type in the password. If you have forgotten the details of your account, you can click on the forgot ID or the password link and follow the steps to recover it, and then just click on login and you'll be logged into your online banking from where you can easily manage your credit card. So that was the easy process of logging in to your account of Bank of America. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to the video, make sure that you comment down below.